Good morning. We're up bright and early this morning. We are gonna go pick up Rocky and head out to some yet to be undecided rail trail because I'm indecisive. But either way, we'll have a good time because we're out on the bikes.
Go this way, you get on the gravel, and that's the bare hole loop. So we'll do a loop. It's not bad. Cool.
Rocky's bike is a little more suited to this than mine is. My bike is fine. He just glides over it easier. Not right here. Right here is smooth, no problem, but where there's obstacles and ruts and all that, his tires are wider and softer. And he and his bike are both lighter. But no big deal. Out riding, and that's all that really matters.
Fucking dying, dude. My heart was gonna explode. Dang. It's mostly downhill from here. There might be one more hill.
I'll survive. You're on video saying that though, so if it's not, that's going on YouTube. On the move. That was Bordner Cabin. Look that up later. This looks like a very fancy AT shelter. The highway's like right there, obviously, by the sound, but the woods are thick enough that you can't see them. It's interesting. Oh, here's that downhill rock I was talking about. Nope. This isn't crazy steep, but it's steep enough that my back tires spinning a little bit in the gravel. Just take it slow. Rocky filming my slow ass coming around the corner. Rocky went bombing down this hill on his lighter gravel tires, but I'm a little too chicken shit to bomb down this on my touring tires. They don't really grip very well in the gravel. I'll end up on my head. It's easy to forget how much extra resistance gravel is until you transition back to the road.
It's like smooth, we're floating right now.
Like I'm barely pedaling. That one house back there was kind of neat.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. That was the Susquehanna Rail Trail, riding with Rocky Eastwood. Nice little almost 16-mile loop. It's very, very wet out. I am soaking wet, but it was a good time. See you next time.